people who are having business ideas, but there are very few people who actually dare to pursue their dreams. Let's see what our teachers have to say on this. Hello, this is Sanket Umne and Amrut Gore reporting from the Principal's Office, LTCOE. Hello sir.
Hello.
So we would like to ask you some questions regarding entrepreneurship. So what do you think about entrepreneurship?
Entrepreneurship, I would say it's a great and challenging one avenue open for all budding engineers, and I frankly feel that one should try for it because, like it is said that creativity breeds creativity. So if you are becoming entrepreneur, you are producing few more entrepreneurs, and which is likely to impact masses on a greater scale. So I think one should go for it.
So what should an ideal student do? Should he go with his own idea or should he go to an industry and gain some knowledge first?
I think idea is a must because idea is a great motivation if one has the idea, and when at the end of the business scenario, he finds that his idea has been translated into the utility, which is of great use to the society as a whole, then the satisfaction level is quite high. So I think having idea is a prerequisite, but it's not necessary that one should work with only his own idea. If there are partners or if he is with some industry, and in certain cases he finds problems in the industry, and it's always a great learning to see the problems and then give a solution to them. So even from the problems one can learn, and as I said, most appropriate would be industry experience. After gaining the experience, he may find and narrow down on particular application area of his expertise.
So many a times we see that there is a really good idea, like concept is very good, but such kind of people don't have financial resources, they are lacking that. So what should say?
Yes. The government of India is taking many initiatives, you must have seen the initiatives in the recent past, by MHRD of Government of India, like skills development and entrepreneurship development. And these are supported by many private and MNCs also. So, and in addition, there are certain agencies which can be approached, like SIDBI is there, small industry development banks. State Bank also is giving financial credits, and Entrepreneurship Development Institute of India, which is located in Ahmedabad, which also helps the aspiring entrepreneurs in terms of guidance and also the finances also till the final age of project, the final stage of project.
So in today's world of globalization, where instead of a degree, skills matter, so how it can change, or how students can develop their managerial skills?
Yes, 100% skills are most essential part of anyone's life, because having a mere degree is not going to help anyone. That is the reason why students opt for higher education and even MBA management and some skill sets which they need to acquire. However, having a basic degree is also important, because in whatever field you are, it gives you complete insight. The degree gives you the insight, and in case of if you have to diversify or change the mode, switch over, in that case the degree will help you, or rather than sticking to one particular skill sets. So that is why I think even having a degree is also equally important. But skill sets, there are many cases and it's not necessary to have degrees. After you study some examples of successful entrepreneurs, there have been some successful dropouts, and who have become great entrepreneurs. You must be aware of those who have created a revolution. But even now, even after becoming successful in terms of say monetary gain and all, but still they aim to have the qualifications. Even at the later stage also, they are keen to have the qualifications. So that is the importance of degree.
Sir, how do you feel that our college curriculum can be used for enhancing our entrepreneurship skills?
We have a EDC along with the training and placement cell. EC is of course there, but I think in addition we also encourage internships to the students which go to various industries. And, as far as incorporating in the curriculum is concerned, I think in some of the subjects we can give the case studies.
Okay.
Case studies will help the students to get the required motivation.
So we see that the people or the students who are actually good or looking forward to become an entrepreneur generally keep the studies on the secondary priority basis. So what would you suggest for that?
Is it correct?
Is it correct?
Frankly speaking, if they have a hereditary business, like if
Okay.
their parental business is there, those category of candidates, they may be doing such practices. But as I mentioned earlier, it is better to complete the degree and then narrow down on the area of your interest, because this degree is going to give you complete insight and you can add to it at any point of time.
Sir, what message would you like to give to the budding entrepreneurs of our college?
Basically, if you like a freedom or you want a shackle-free environment to work to your fullest potential, then entrepreneurship is the greatest challenge ahead of you. And I think for that you should have an idea, you should have a big dream for that. And hopefully, if you have a motivation and a dream for translating it into the realities, then the resources shall fall in place. And to be positive or optimistic, I think one can be successful. But there are certain risks involved. When you talk of entrepreneurship, risk element is always there. But if you have resources and determination of mind, I think you can succeed in that.
So we would also love to hear your message to our ECell LTCE and what about its future?
ECell, I think as of now, in the beginning it is doing a wonderful job. And I think in the few years to come, I think it should encourage and motivate our students. And it should be on a sustainable basis, because engineers basically are creators. And scientists, if you say, they invent certain things, but engineers are creators, and they will do a lot of junoon and jugaad, and after that they will create certain utilities. But another aspect they have to look into is sustainability. On a sustainable basis, engineers have to make it viable, so that it can influence the masses or community at large. So I think EC should look into that aspect, and if possible, if they can get some collaborations or help of agencies which can give guidance to the budding aspirants.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
This is Amrit Gore and Sanket Humane live from Principal's Cabin, LTC.